What's up, YouTube? Good morning. It's a beautiful Sunday morning here in Colorado. As you can see, the mountains in the background. A little chilly. So just wanted to do a quick 28-month review on our vehicle. We purchased the Tesla of June of 21, and we had it for a little bit over, going on 3 years now. In regards to maintenance, nothing really has been done to the car other than the inside air filters. The only big purchase has been these tires. So we got these cross climate for the winter months coming up here in Colorado. And these were about $1,400. That's probably the biggest expense we spent on the car so far. Um, I guess it's a kind of a trade-off. So we're not putting any gas, so we probably would have spent more on gas rather than just on the tires. But we also did the finish on the stock Gemini wheels. This is kind of called Midnight Blue finish, as well as this car is probably going on its third set of wheels. We had two set of aftermarket wheels that we put on there, but I just kind of wanted to go back to stock. Just to change the look again, so different color wheels. Other than that, not much maintenance in regards to the Tesla. So basically we charge it every night to 80%. That is recommended. Always keep your car charged to 80%. That should help keep the battery lasting a long time. Maybe charge it once a month to 100%. We don't use a lot of superchargers because we basically are in town majority of the time. Wife drives the car to work, so I get to drive the car in the weekends. But other than that, not much maintenance on the vehicle. Like I said, we have roughly about 30,000 miles on it. The only thing we spent were the tires. That was about $1,400. But as you can see, I'm finally taking a video because it's actually clean. Just walk around the car really quick. Yeah, I haven't done anything else to the car other than wheels, change the tires. That's about it. So I definitely think we saved from buying a SUV gas car, because we would have spent, I think we calculated, if we would have spent an average of $40 a week on gas, I think it came out for the past 2.5 years, roughly about $5,000 on gas, I would say. Of course that fluctuates depending on what the gallon price is, but yeah, we love the car. We're planning to probably get a Model S sometime soon, or maybe a Model 3 next year, depending on how much we can save on taxes. I think in Colorado you can get roughly $12,000 on state credit and federal credit, and I think that's going to come off the price next year, but I'm not sure. Double check. At least out here in Colorado, I think that's what it's going to be, about $12,500 off. But we'll probably look at the new Model 3 Highland, maybe the rear-wheel drive version, whatever the cheapest version is, just to get another electric vehicle. Shouldn't be too bad as long as we get the price down. We know somebody that just bought a Model 3 a month ago, and he paid about $17,000 for it because he turned in another car, and the state gave him credit for that to get rid of an old vehicle. So I think his total price was about, I'll say no more than $20,000. So yep, this is the next generation. It's coming, guys. Get an EV. You'll enjoy it. No maintenance, fast. I'm a big Tesla person, so our next car is definitely going to be a Tesla. We have a Cybertruck on order, but it's probably going to be about 3 years to actually get one. There's like 1.5 million million Cybertrucks on back order. But yeah, so far no issues with the car. We love it. Get a Tesla, guys. You won't regret it. And especially if you're just doing some in-town driving, you have a full charge every night. Just plug it in. All right. I'll see you in the next video.